This morning, Deputy Attorney General Todd Blanche has more questions for Jeffrey Epstein's former companion, Ghislaine Maxwell.
Do you have anything to say today?
Sources told ABC News Maxwell initiated the meeting as she appeals her conviction and tries to get out of a 20-year prison sentence. Her attorney told us she answered every question.
What kind of questions? Well, we don't want to get into the substance of the questions. There were a lot of questions, and we went all day. And she answered every one of them. She never just said, I'm not going to answer, never declined.
It's almost unheard of for a convicted sex trafficker to meet with such a high-ranking Justice Department official, as one who used to be the president's top criminal defense attorney.
If this meeting were just to find out, does she have any information on anyone else who potentially should be indicted? Well, you would think that the Deputy Attorney General would have other prosecutors there with him who actually tried the case. He doesn't. And that does lead to the question, is this a legal meeting or is this a political meeting?
Maxwell was convicted of enabling Epstein's abuse of women and girls. Annie Farmer, who testified against her at trial, questioned why Maxwell was granted a meeting with the Deputy Attorney General.
It's very disappointing that these things are happening behind closed doors without any input from the people that the government asked to come forward and speak against her in order to put her away. You know, there were so many young girls and women that were harmed by her.
The meeting with Maxwell comes as the Justice Department tries to quiet calls from Senate Republicans to release more information about Epstein and his interaction with high-profile figures.
I want all the information out.
Just put everything out, make it as transparent as you can.
Release the damn files.
The Justice Department said earlier this month it planned to release no additional information, despite an earlier commitment to do so. The Wall Street Journal reports Attorney General Pam Bondi told President Trump in May his name was mentioned in the Epstein files multiple times, along with other high-profile people. Days before the article was published, Trump denied it.
Did she tell you at all that your name appeared in the file?
No, she's given us just a very quick briefing, and in terms of the credibility of the different things that they've seen.
Appearing in the files is not indicative of wrongdoing. The Journal reports Trump deferred to a decision by Bondi and Blanche to release nothing because the files also contain child pornography and information about victims. Blanche said he is seeking to learn from Maxwell whether anyone else committed crimes against victims, saying he will share what he learns from her at the appropriate time. We're waiting to find out what was asked, how she responded, and whether Ghislaine Maxwell made a specific pitch for clemency. Rebecca?
A lot of open questions there, Aaron. Okay, thank you.